Hello everyone! Once again, welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng unlike fractions. Ituturo ko sa inyo ang pinakamadaling paraan para makuha nyo to. Sa given example natin na 1/2 plus 2 over 5, ganito ang dapat natin gawin. Okay, una, multiply natin yung dalawang denominator. So, 2 times 5 will give us 10. Pagkatapos, multiply natin itong dalawang to. So, 1 times 5 will give us 5. And then, kung ano man yung sign niyan, you just add here. So, plus. And then, multiply natin itong dalawa. 2 times 2 is 4. Tapos, i-add natin yung numerator. 5 plus 4 gives us 9. Over 10. Ganun lang kadali. Next, i-add natin ang 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. Okay, again, we have to multiply itong 4 and 3. So, 4 times 3 gives us 12. Then, cross-multiply natin itong dalawa. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Whatever is the sign, we have to add here. And then, cross-multiply ulit natin to. 4 times 2 gives us 8. So, adding the numerator, 9 plus 8 is 17 over the denominator of 12. Now, mapapansin mo na this is an imperfect fraction. Gawin natin tong mixed number. Of course, to do that, kailangan divide natin yung 17 by 12. So, 17 divided by 12 gives us 1. And then, whatever is the remainder, yun yung ating fraction. 17 minus 12 is 5 over 12. So, ito yung pinaka-sagot natin. Ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa subtraction. Okay, so 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8. Katulad din ng sa addition, ganun din ang gagawin natin. I-multiply natin yung dalawang denominator. So, 2 times 8 is 16. And then we cross-multiply. 1 times 8 is 8. Then, yung sign na negative. And then, 2 times 3 is 6. Subtracting the numerator, 8 minus 6 will give us 2 over 16. Now, mapapansin mo na hindi ito naka-reduce. So, kailangan lagay natin siya sa lowest term. So, itong number na to, divisible siya by 2. So, divide natin siya by 2. That will give us 1 over 8. And then, for our last example, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 3. Ganun din, multiply natin yung dalawang denominator. So, 4 times 3 is 12. And then, cross-multiply natin itong dalawa. 3 times 3 is 9. And then the sign, which is negative or subtraction. And then 4 times 1 is 4. So subtract natin ang numerator. 9 minus 4 is 5 over 12. I hope you better understand how to add and subtract unlike fractions the easy way. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.